Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are back with this is a nice, I don't know what to call them. They are spreads for sandwiches because I like having spreads in my sandwiches. I don't like dry sandwiches. But you know, usually I don't like mayonnaise and I don't like the store-bought ones because they're filled with chemicals. So they taste really artificial, but these taste so good. There too. So they work as a spread for sandwiches. They work as dips for those people that like to dip their chips. They're both good in either way. So they're super quick and easy to make. So let's show you guys how to make. To make this spread slash sauce, the main ingredient is a red pepper, one big red pepper. We are using 100 to 200 grams, as much as you want, between 100 to 200 grams of feta cheese, about 100 grams of cream cheese, any that you want, about 3 tablespoons of parsley. Don't worry that it's big because we're going to blend everything later on. Salt and pepper, ciboulette or ciboulette, I don't know what it's called in English. I think it's the same thing. A teaspoon of paprika. You can use smoked paprika if you want. The juice of half a lemon, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 teaspoon oregano. In a blender slash food processor, we're going to put in the peppers. We'll add in the parsley. And we'll add in the garlic and blend it for a little bit, and then we'll move on. So we've just pulsed them for a little bit and it already smells good. So now we're going to add in the feta cheese. But we'll just break it for a little bit, just into smaller pieces. So with the feta cheese, we're adding in the cream cheese. We'll add in the oregano, lemon juice, salt, pepper. We'll also add in paprika and ciboulette. And now we're just going to blend everything together until we get a smooth paste consistency. So we finished blending it. Of course, make sure to test for salt, pepper, add any spices you want to add. And as you can see, this is the consistency. You can spread it. It's a great consistency. So I'll meet you guys at the presentation. To make this courgette spread sauce, here we have 2 medium courgettes or 1 large one, a small onion, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 small tomato or half a large one, 100 grams of cream cheese, 50 grams of parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of paprika or smoked paprika if you want, and also a teaspoon of basil. If you have fresh one, it's better. First step is to preheat your oven 180 to 190 degrees Celsius, and now we're going to add in the courgettes in a baking tray. To the courgettes, we're adding in the onions and the garlic, and we're going to spray them with some olive oil and bake them for 25 minutes or until they're nice and roasted to give that smoky barbecue, that smoky flavor. So I'm just going to mix them in to make sure that they're evenly coated in olive oil so that they all get nice and golden brown. So now we roast them in the oven, 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And if they're big pieces, it doesn't matter how you cut them because eventually everything will be blended into a paste. So now that we took them out of the oven and they smell amazing, look at that nice golden brown. So now we're going to wait for them to cool down before we continue with our recipe. So once the courgette and onions are nice and soft and they've cooled down, so we're going to put them into the blender. To them, we're going to add the parsley, the tomatoes, and we've removed the seeds from them. This is important. So to the tomatoes, we'll add in the cream cheese. We'll add in the Parmesan cheese. And now we're just going to season them with salt, pepper, paprika, and lastly some basil. And we're just going to blend everything together. So this is what it looks like now that we've blended it. It's nice and thick. So now we're just going to meet at the final product for both of them. So this is what they look like. I really love the nice colors. They have this nice bright green and this bright red. I've served them with some tortilla chips that I've turned into just a tortilla that we've roasted, made it into chips, I guess. So I can't wait to try them. So I'm gonna try the courgette one. So for the red one, you get that taste of feta cheese, which is amazing. I love feta cheese. It's one of my favorite cheeses. It has that perfect hint of saltiness. It has great flavors. So I like the red one. And for the green one, I like it a little bit more because of the courgette, since I really love courgettes. And also what really does it for the green one is the smokiness, because we roasted them, so they gave off that nice smoky barbecue flavor. So they are both equally as good as each other, and I highly recommend making both. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on my social media so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available once again on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!